Hey my friends, we'll be back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this short video, I'm going to simply show you how you happen to make what known as a talking speech or a speech, complete speech talking using Microsoft Word. What do I mean here? I mean it's like as if someone is talking, or as if it is a system or a computer talking about the statement you maybe just happen to write. I will give assumption. I already have some piece of data of mine here, which I'm just going to demonstrate on. Just going to come and try to pick what was it was something like that. Just pick, or let me just start something new and I show you that stuff very fast. So I'm going to open up Microsoft Word and I show you how can you make the speech talk. Now just click the new or any. So inside here we are going to make a speech to talk, a talking speech or a speech that is talking using Microsoft Word. So if I say maybe hey David, good, or just say maybe hey YouTubers, good morning. That's my statement. No, good morning. You get? So if that's what I have and I'm saying good morning, this is the statement I have, and I would like you to talk, I can always press here and I say,
hi YouTubers, good morning.
Now I would like us to learn at the moment how can you create something like that.
Hi YouTubers, good morning.
Now to make something like that, there's one thing I have to let you know, just to make sure you know. Make sure you're on Microsoft Word. Open up Microsoft Word. Maybe you already have your documents down. You already have your statement down here. Maybe you maybe watching OSP programming videos. Maybe please don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Maybe that's what we have. Just maybe I'm just writing that. So if you try to run it,
hi YouTubers, good morning. You are watching OSP programming videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to his channel.
Maybe we also have the one on us. Thank you. So that's
hi
what
YouTubers, good morning. You are watching OSP programming videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Thank you.
Now that's what we have at the moment, my friends. Let us see how can we make it, and how do I happen to get this kind of icon speak selected itext. Now this is it. This what thing happened mainly whenever you're dealing with a text or we're using a text and that text is selected. So if the text not selected, give assumption right now. At the moment my cursor is pointing in this channel. If I click here, you'll discover that one way that's where it will be played out. So if you say thank, this one here is only one. What will be played out for you. So to do such, make sure you select all the text, and to get it, come in where known as files, go to files, go to options, and after going to options, go to one known as quick access tool. Click there, go to command, popular commands, move there, go to all commands, and then just move down to speech. Select speech down here. You should be seeing speech somewhere around down here. So pick speech, click on speech, then you go to add like that. Now I already have, to me I have already added mine. So just click OK. So I said you click on it and then just click add. So when you click on add, you'll not get this kind of message and icon giving to you, because for you don't have it here. So after doing so, you'll just come and say OK. So that implies the next time when you happen to highlight there and you come back here, you should
good morning.
If you happen to do so, you should be getting the same statement, and as when you happen to play here,
hi
you should do
good morning. You are watching OSP programming videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Thank you. Hi YouTubers, good morning. You are watching OSP programming videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Thank you.
So members, I think this video has helped you. If it has helped you, make sure you subscribe to my channel, just like I've said below there. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more details on programming and maybe Microsoft Excel and also in Microsoft Word. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all.